So welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope because you all are absolutely fine. So guys, this is Nikhil Malviya and you are watching Tech and Review channel. So guys, today we will unbox the Boat Airdopes 381 twin wireless earbuds, and after I'll show you all the specification of this device, and eventually we will discussing about the pricing of this device, that how much I got the cost of this Airdopes 381. So guys, without wasting of any more time, let's get started and do the unboxing of this device. So guys, here we have the box of Boat Airdopes 381 twin wireless earbuds, and as you can see that at the front we have the badging of Boat, and here we have the flip the game, and at the right side as you can see that the badging of Boat, and at the back side of the box here we have some key features, key specification of this Airdopes, and at the left side again we have the badging of Boat, and at the bottom as you can see that here we have some barcode and manufacturing date and the pricing of this device. As you can see that here the price of this device is almost 5,000, which is wrong price, and what the correct price I'll show further in this video. And at the top as you can see that here we have again the barcode and Boat Airdopes 381. The color of this device is mint pink color, as you can see that. So guys, now let's unbox again to this device and let's check the how the our Airdopes 381 looks like. So guys, now let's unbox to this device. So I cut it down at the top, and as you can see that here we open to the box, and firstly we have some cards of this Boat Airdopes, and we keep it aside, and after we open the case of this device, so we keep the box aside, and after here we have some extra 4 buds for our AirPods, which is very good to see that in this price range you have some extra buds for your AirPods. So we keep this also aside, and after here we have some 3 manual tips and tricks. With this help of you can set your earbuds from your smartphone, so you can follow all the instruction in this manual guide, so you can easily operate your device. So here we have another booklet from Boat. So in this booklet you have all the product which is coming from Boat, so you can easily check all the product which is coming from Boat. So we also keep this booklet aside, and after here we have the type C cable to charge your AirPod case, which is fantastic. And here our box is completely empty, so we keep it aside, and here we have at last Boat 381 SF in a mint pink color, which is giving a very premium look in our hand, and it looks very appealing, as you can see that. So guys, it contains type C cable, as I said, so you insert your type C cable at the bottom, which is very good, and overall the weight of this device is very lightweight, so it'll become very good in this price range. So after here we have, as you can see, that 2 earbuds, one is left and one is right, which is very good. And guys, this both the earbuds contain magnetic at the bottom, and this case is also contain this magnetic system, so your both the earbuds safe and you don't have to take any worry. And guys, this device is very easy to carry. You can easily open this device by your single hand, and it is very easily to carry. You can put this device in your pocket too, so it becomes a very good option. So guys, now it's time to explore all the features of this AirPods. So guys, the first highlighted feature of this earbuds is it has IWP technology. It means you could quickly pair your smartphone with this AirDops. It means you don't have to do anything. You just enable the Bluetooth of your smartphone, and it automatically connected with this AirPods, which is become more convenient and stable feature with this price range. So guys, the secondly highlighted feature of this device is it has SF charging technology. As I said you, the model number of this device is Boat 381 SF, and the SF stands for you have 60-minute playtime only in 5 minutes charge, so it becomes a very strongest point with this price range. So guys, now these earbuds support 5.0 Bluetooth technology, which is very decent. I'll not say it is very good, because with this price range another earbuds can give this 5.0 Bluetooth technology. And guys, after it has IPX5 sweat and water resistance technology, which is really necessary. So guys, now let's talk about the power of the case. So the battery life of the case is almost 500 milliampere battery, which is really good. And now it has easy access control with voice assistance. It means that it has iPhone Siri and Google Assistant support with this TWDS. So guys, now let's talk about at the last feature of this device but not the least. So it support hand-free communication system with stereo calling, so it will become more convenient and it makes very easy to use. So guys, the important thing is that the pricing, how much does the cost of this device. So guys, let me know you that the actual price of this earbuds is almost 2500 rupees on Flipkart, which I just got at rupees 1200 from Flipkart Big Billion Days now. So if you want to buy this product from Flipkart, so you can buy it now only. So guys, now it's time to over this video, and if you enjoyed this video, so please give us a great thumbs up to this video. And if you want to buy this product from Flipkart, so please you can go for it. And if you having another query related to this earbuds and related to this video, so you can must comment below in comment box. So guys, now with that said, as always, we will meet in next exciting unboxing video. Till the time, bye bye, take care, see you.